Right guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a wet, horrible Saturday. Me and Tom are drenched. Tom's just back off your summer vacation, aren't you, mate? All refreshed?
Nice little week away.
Nice. Tell everyone where you went.
It was Alcudia.
Nice.
Okay, yeah. Just a little week away, self-catering.
Nice
beach,
tan.
enjoying myself. Yeah.
Nice. Back to this.
Drinking lots of beer.
Yeah.
Aye.
So Tom's well, second time now he's been down. Just done a tip run there. Got rid of loads of stuff. Filled the boot to the brim. 30D workhorse.
Aye.
So go on, Tom. What's your thoughts on the unit? You've dropped in the comments, but
It's a good space. Obviously we were going to get another unit, weren't we, on the same place, but it's like L-shaped and it was just wasn't practical, was it?
obviously, like I say, we've got to put doors and that on, haven't we? But it's more practical, isn't it?
Yeah, it's more practical. You can get comfortably 3 cars in there, can't you? It's a nice open plan. Once the doors are on, and if you can get the ramp in there, that'll be good. Got lots we can do, really.
What the heck is that? Traffic master?
Yeah, it's something to do with the news or something.
Yeah, it will be better when we get a ramp in there. Putting my missus to work on a bit of painting today, so hopefully she'll be doing a bit today. And yeah, I know it's consuming content at the minute. And like I say, we were just discussing then, we've got all
the parts have arrived for this. So you've got the DPF delete downpipe, sorry, from Dark Side, that's arrived.
Did you just say downside?
Yeah, downside.
Downside developments.
Yeah, but no, that's arrived. That arrived just before I went on holiday. So obviously with the E30 in the garage, I'm doing it on the drive unless we get the doors onto the unit, and I can do it there. So I want to get that done ASAP, but it's just weather dependent and work dependent, really, isn't it?
Hopefully the unit will be drive-in, hopefully in about 3 to 4 weeks. So the 330D fam headquarters be officially open for business. If you want to come and visit us, drop in, have a brew. But no.
Fridge, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got a fridge.
Yeah.
Just got rid of a massive one out of there, haven't we? But we're discussing there, obviously the levels from the ground outside to the ground in the unit. Me and Tom are going to have to, well, Tom is going to have to concoct a ramp, concrete.
Yeah.
But it's a big move for us, this. So yeah, I get it's consuming content, and we've got BM content backed up, but through the winter months, this is going to massively help, isn't it?
Yeah, well, once it's done, it just makes life a lot easier, doesn't it? Obviously it's still weekends and evenings and stuff, but it's somewhere we can go, isn't it? Somewhere you don't.
Well, that's it. You're not outside.
I don't have to worry about getting the E30 done as soon, because obviously.
Or the neighbours.
Yeah, true.
And vice versa with me, the neighbours again, because I'm on a main road, traffic noise and stuff like that. You're in a unit, it's quiet, it's your own personal space, and it's what we can make it as well.
Yeah, well that's it, and also you can do your valeting properly, can't you, or your detailing and stuff, because at the minute you've probably only got about 2 months of the year you can work with weather.
So if you need your car buffing, bit of scratch removal, and hopefully I'm going to be all year round soon, so you know where I am on Facebook or Instagram. But yeah, we've got loads of content coming out of our ears at the minute, but it's having time to do it, and this is consuming me at the minute. It's kind of all hands on deck.
It's only a bit of painting, right? Yeah.
You just come and done a tip run.
I know. I've been on holiday.
I know. Mithering him while he's on holiday. What should we do? Just bit the bullet. Tom, sorry about that, mate.
Yeah, it's worth it though. We've been discussing it for long enough, haven't we? So.
Yeah, so yeah, it's time. So we will hopefully be all up and running soon. Like,
Blinking heck.
you've got air in your tyres.
Yeah, I have got air in the tyres.
You run flats.
Yeah.
So yeah.
M Sport suspension, Martin.
So yeah, busy times, but it's good to be busy. There's going to be plenty more content coming soon, so stay tuned. And Tom will keep us updated with where he's at with all the dark side and the EGR and all that, won't you?
Yeah, well, I might be spraying another boot lid for this, so we've got other stuff to be doing as well. So
yeah. So my first ride in this car wasn't, because I was hoping it to be full of rubbish on a wet Saturday. I was hoping we were going to get a review done on this car, but that's still to come. But
well, you
it's
know,
not bad.
It's used
alright,
it for its purpose, haven't we?
So, there we go, guys. Little channel update. Tom's back. He's going to be back to his usual stuff soon, just acclimatise to the British way of life again now.
Yeah,
Back to work. So there we go, guys, and we will see you soon.
See you later.
Right guys, well there we go. Massive thank you to my Mrs. Claire. Brilliant job. Want a job doing and done, get the missus in. Yeah, 3 coats and all of that now. Back wall to be sorted. It's just looking a lot clearer. Starting to get there, like a workspace. Oosh. One more coat on that, that's where tea time now. These have all had 3. Nice bench there, all cleaned up, cupboards, so we had to bring that back in. It's getting there, that's the main thing, it's getting there. Be a usable space soon. So there we go guys, keep up to date with us, and remember, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.